Hello. Before I start my speech, let me introduce myself. I am Washim Akram. Now I am studying in Daffodil International University, Department of Software Engineering. Today I will share my presentation slide of how to use cryptography in website. Okay, let's start. At first, we want to know that what is cryptography. Cryptography is a process that is convert plain text to ciphertext. Here, cryptography stands for crypto means hidden, and graphy it stands writing. So we are easily understand this is a this is a process of data hiding. So okay, let's start. Now I will show that how to use in this cryptography in the website project. Okay. The following practices improve our web applications security when we use cryptography. Then at first we're follow that do not develop our own cryptography. Then second, keep unencrypted data close to the algorithm. Then third point is use the correct algorithm and correct key size. And fourth are secure your encryption keys. This is must follow this fourth point. Now I introduce lesson objectives of encryption and decryption. Here using triple DS for encryption decryption. At first decide key in string, then second point key should be in range of 192 to 198 bits, and hashing MD5 hashing my key size is not range of 182 to 198. Then these causes were using hashing MD5, convert simple text into byte array, create object of triple DES algorithm class, set three properties: I crypto transform final block, convert res into string, namespace system.security.cryptography. Okay, let's start. Now I will show my project code. First I will discuss encryption code, and this is the encryption code. Here at first we are selected key, then the key, then key size is not 190 to 198 bit, then this key need to hashing perform. Then here I use MD5 hashing algorithm. Then here we use MD5 crypto service provider class. Then next here we are compute hash. Then this hashing is convert into in this key in insert into byte array. Then here we use md hash dot compute hash encoding dot encoding is a built-in class, and utf stands for Unicode Transformation Format. 8 means use 8-bit blocks, get bytes key. Then here md hash dot take space of memory. Then here we using clear, then clear the memory. Here we input simple text. This simple text convert into byte array. Mm, then here we here I use triple DES crypto service provider is a class provides the functionality of triple DES algorithm. Here we create a object of this class, and this class is called key. Then key array is insert into key, and here we use cipher mode. Space the block cipher mode to use for encryption. Here we use cipher mode.ecb, cbc, cts, ofb, but here I use ecb. Ecb stands for the electronic codebook. Any blocks of plain text that are identical and in the same message, or that are in a different message encrypted with the same key, will be transferred into credential ciphertext blocks. This causes here I use ECB and then uh, DES call padding mode is the type of padding to apply when the message data block is shorter than the full number of bytes needed for a cryptographic operation. Here I use PKCS7. For the PKS7 adding padding string consists of a sequence of bytes, each of which is equal to the total number of padding bytes added. I use iCrypto transform for uh, iCrypto transform defines the basic operation of cryptographic transformation. Uh, Here I use des.create encryptor. When we call des.create encryptor, then this turn into encryption. Here we use encrypted data is convert into byte array. Here I use transform final block. Here at first simple text and then initial state. Here simple text length. Then finally where simple text are convert into base 64 string and space 64. Then here I use try case for this ciphertext are saved into database. Decryption code here is a decryption code and okay, let's start see. Encryption and decryption process is same of key, then here is same when key size is not 192 198 bits, then we are using hashing perform. This is a provide of hashing. Here I use MD5 hashing algorithm. Then this here to add this process is same, but here we are take convert into base 64 string, then convert then save into ciphertext byte array. Then triple DS crypto service provider class provides the functionality of triple DS algorithm. This is a built-in class. Here we use same three properties: key, mode, padding, and iCrypto transform is same, but here I use create decryptor. Here when we use encryption, then here we use encryptor, but here I use decryptor. Decryptor means I convert into decryptor. Then here is same, I transform final block. Here I use ciphertext. Here is start point and ciphertext length, and these ciphertext are convert into encoding.utf get string res. Okay, now I will show how to work this code and data in database. How project homepage. At first introduce my project, and this is a one kind of message sending application. Here a one they have only unique username and password. They can using this system and name and password and send message and decrypt message, and when new user can log in and see this message. Okay, let's start how to work this system. At first login system admin, press log. This is a system admin login page. Here system admin Akram and password 1234. Press submit. This is a dashboard of system admin. Welcome Akram, you have logged in successfully. Okay, here I have three buttons for add new user, send message, log out. New user, press add new user button. Then this is a new user registration form. Here I will save new user name, Kibria, email like kibria@gmail.com, username kibria, and password 1234, like, and press save. Okay, successfully saved. Then you can back home page and send a message, and like same, how are you kibria, then press send message. This message are already saved here. You can see that here is all message list, this table. And when system admin can try to check which message, which id message are, then if here press like is one id, then press decrypt hello everyone. Then when they are press like as 4, then press decrypt. Here it show how are you kibria. Okay, going to home page and log out. Then now I want to see that when a new user log in this system and how to work this is. Okay, press portal login, then here username kibria, password 1234, press submit. Here all messages, which messages are sent system admin, display all messages. Here welcome kibria, you have logged in successfully. And here choose id, which id message they are read, like he is read 4 number message, then press 4 and press view message. Then he is not see in decrypted message. When here press decrypt button, then he is can see decrypted message, and press clear. Now you want to see id number 3 message, then press 3 and press view message, then press decrypt, then how are you. Okay, press clear and press logout, then going to dashboard. This is a option, and here I have 3 table. Then this is a message box table. Select top on there. This is a new register. This is a new user registration form. Name, email, username, password. Password is always hashing perform, and this is not a converted others. And here this is a message part. Here message is encrypted, and like is encrypted. Here we can see easily that how here is id number and message, and here is email, name, email, username, password, and this is a system admin username and password. This is, and now I will show where I hosting my project somi.com. Here I log in my file phase. Here is all file, save this, upload here, and this is a database file. Okay, press search.